Here we go, another day in paradise.
I see you through your window. I'm standing at your... God damn. The fuck is that? Is it snowing? What the fuck is that?
What the fuck is that?
What the fuck is that? What the... Is it snowing? Oh my god. What the fuck is that? God damn. Damn. What the fuck is that? God damn. I need to find some fucking shelter. What the fuck did I just... God damn. God, I can't see shit. God damn. Can't see shit, but I gotta get to work. God dang.
Like and subscribe if you like finding the extraordinary in the ordinary.